In this video this time, I'll discuss 3 principles to build what's called wealth. The first principle, this is the most important according to the cave, is don't lose money. The investment is as a means to us. Doubled our money. Make money work in while we sleep. But if you investment and you even lose money, a lot of people are wrong here. You guys invest. It's not for loss. First rule, investment not to lose. Don't ever Marasikoken, whose name is permanent loss of capital, because these are dangerous and difficult to reverse. I'll explain later. Never chase speculation. Just because friends say, you guys are drunk. There's a friend story. OH, this is no stock and ice. OH, this is no crypto be good. OH, this is no investment see. There is a Dana in D. Not because tempted. If you don't know what you're buying, then you suffered a loss in investment. You should never be tempted. Yes, in a fast way, I'll always tell you. As a human being, you should be able to say his name, not to opportunity. To people inviting to meet, investment is the same. More in life, I say no to investment. For example, yesterday, yes, even this morning, there was a deal coming. Said he has many opportunities in consumer. I'll see you first. But the possibility would of say no. Last week, deal I. That person is one of the Yeblosen from Y community. It's like the school of the greatest startups. Airbnb. Simo Mensa japed. Because it's not a part of. I'll explain in the next principle. Circle of competence. Cave so. Cave many reject deal. Deal that you guys think might be interesting. When you have the money, you will realize there will be many investment offers. But the most important thing is loss of capital. Don't let it happen. That man in the same drive whose envy and greed. Don't be a greedy person. Because if you guys want the money many times over, you took such risks. The edges. Money you lose. Example, you invest to things you don't understand. For example, RP100. RP100. 0 was lost 50%. Let's say Lou invest DA. This from you put 100 million. So 550 million. It's down how much? The presentation. You can count 50% fast. But to return. A was from 50 million, this yes to 100 million. It needs to go up 100%. This is mathematics that many people don't understand. Down the 50. Ride must be 100. Now I want to give you a little guess. Did you know that it dropped 60%? Yes, for example, so it 40 should go up how much to return it as a refund? The answer should be up 150%. We take the more extreme. 100 million was put in C, down 80. So the remaining 20 million, it needs to go up 400%, friends. 400% to return to the initial capital. This is what makes so many people explode. The first rule of investing. Never lose. There I made a mistake in 10 years I invested. Many mistakes that I did, but no significant errors, which makes the cave permanent loss of capital. If I want to play something speculation. Already speculation, for example. 1-2% of this portfolio. I use it to speculate. Gambling in the market. Opportunity. The weird. I try to take options. Unique derivatives. Cave grab, but it never. Permanent law of capital in the portfolio. I will never Resikoken cave. Well, this is the first principle of Warren Buffett. Never lose money. Principle number 2, don't repeat number 1. Well, for us to learn how not to lose money. This is very important for all of us. Friends here, no principle number 2. Only invest in what you understand. Mental model, the simplest in that investment we call it. Circle of competence. If the children of investors, when you played baseball, you don't always have to swing like that in all the punches that are thrown. Every page that was thrown at you. But the answer This is your comfort zone. Your comfort zone. When you can in his blood, you shoot. You hit, yeah. Don't lie to yourself. You know what you don't understand. For example, like the cave was offered last week. Okay, this is an II startup. This way. Series B, you want to go in with this. Any venture capital. There's a Anderson Hollywood. All kinds of answers. I'm honest. I don't understand. Yes, cave user AI. But if I was told to make a language model. I don't understand. Start from wherever. I don't know is. I learned a little bit from NVIDIA's course, but I don't understand the answer. I'm not an expert in machine learning. I'm not an expert in artificial intelligence. I don't understand. So I didn't follow the investment. Because I don't understand how to make agent take a link agent. It's not a circle of competence cave. School money, yeah. The money that was permanent. Lost of capital. That I do for things like this. There's been a lot of cave life. Every time I invest in what I don't understand, 100% of my money will be burned. This is no start. But this is definitely burning my money. This is private no equity, deal. I don't understand money to get in. This has happened to me many times. You have to understand, yeah. Investing is like a pilot. If the secretary overestimated your own ability, the edges are wretched. You're too reckless. Need the name, wisdom to know what we can understand. And what we can't understand. I said more okay. I don't understand. Because it's a format of human humility. When you say okay, I don't understand. There's nothing by wrong. Being offered EA. It doesn't understand. Enter may be offered a quantum computer. Maybe I answer, I don't understand. It's not an industry I understand. But if you ask me to invest in energy, update, in solar, I might understand. You offer me investing in the bank. I might understand. How it works, how? Tier 1 capital, Tier 2 capital. What do I understand? How to count fast, net interest, margin from the bank. I can analyze from A to Z. Because I've been covering the bank for a long time. Back again if you ever work. Maybe in fun, yeah. Buy side. Or on the sales side. In securities. The analysis is divided. It's coverage. They have their own universe. Example, there are those who specialize in banks. Who specialize in mining. In mining, there are those who specialize in consumer goods. They were separated, so people have to have a name. Circle of their own competence. A field. Investment areas that you understand very well. So the investment doesn't have to be in the asset of a fund. It doesn't have to be in company stock. Don't have to be in B in crypto. Don't have to C in real estate. But what you understand best. Actually, you understand the most. You left it here a long time ago. You really understand how much the rent is all. Please play property. You know about gold. How to, please play gold. But invest in what you understand. Because when you come out of it, you will definitely lose. This will make decision-making your decision sharper. When you don't understand, okay, skip. Engedi Billy. Don't understand, skip. So choose a circle of competence and be a class. The world in that field. The last principle, yes, is to think on a long-term basis. Think in long-term. Because compounding is a miracle. The Buffett's eighth world hit $1 billion at the age of 56. The first 16 trillion he was at the age of 56. It took him decades to compounding his money. To that utilize the name of this compound interest. The world is too much people who just want to run away. Yeah, want a short sprint. But they didn't see that. Investing is a game like a marathon. Who has endurance? Who lasts the longest? Examples of like caves themselves. You all didn't see the process. Oh, you become an investor. How to? It's all there's a process. Cave not a businessman. Before I had the right company. Merchant Cave. Used to be a merchant cave. Selling straws. Hair oil sales. Get 2 million money. I put it in the market. I bought it at that time. Gua Ingeri cave cover even now. So it was a process. Cave lessons in. And it's been a long time. Nothing is instant. I never had the mindset to find fast money. My mindset is, how can I make wealth that lasts? not looking for fast money. I believe one who accumulates his wealth little by little. It actually lasts a long time. But who took the great treasure? Use a bad way, it will dissipate quickly. So when I made my treasure, slowly, selling straws, hair oil sales, make agency, wake up cattle, money little by little, amount, cave treasure, invest everything. In the market cave, learn. Oh, this is how the bank works. Oh, like this, Yagaz. Oh, NPL, it's why this can much. It go up this much? Oh, there's a corporate loan that defaulted. Oh, loan structure, how the hell? There is a micro learner. Everything in detail. Oh, H, the digital growth. Awesome, yeah. Employees remain this much, but the customer doubled. Oh, there ye bang, that can be like oh, that. Oh, why? Oh, for having a better brand. Have better service. Oh, the management. Someone I can see. Cool management. That's all I learned from a cave. So there's no, I just saw it. Oh, he got rich all of a sudden. This is the process for decades. I haven't talked 1 or 2 years. Decades. This compound interest will flower. Decade. Wealth is not made by geniuses. According to the cave, wealth is made by people who are disciplined. Patiently enjoy the process. Buy what you understand. Yeah, hold on as long as possible. I see a lot of head fun. Like the material, the largest, La Kita Engomon conglomerate, the largest Berkshire Hathaway event, Salem's group has First Pacific. They are when investing in an asset. They hold very, very long. If we see head fun, it's incredible growth. Like TCI, it's his turnover portfolio. 8 years to change the company once every 8 years. You must have a mindset. Invest. It's in the company, the quality. Don't you break, compounding it because you want to buy things, want to show off, want this no. Hold 10 to 20 years. Buy an investment that you understand very well. It's up to you to buy commercial property. If you understand very well, you want to buy, for example, a company open or closed in private equity, or that even companies that haven't, revenue and venture capital. Or you want to invest in the latest technology like crypto, like AI. If you understand very well, please. But stick to circle of competence, Lou. So the first, cave, repeat again. Don't lose the second. Buy what you understand. 3. Have a mindset, long term, because the investment is a marathon. Bakanla boss friend.